Built in 2021, move-in ready, affordable, and it's gonna go quick. Hi, LuAnn here at 8352 Tannic Drive in Sacramento. My latest listing, come on inside and take a look around. This beautifully maintained two-story home is 1,535 square feet with 3 bedrooms plus a loft and 2.5 bathrooms. Step inside and you'll fall in love with the modern kitchen. Quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, a large pantry, and an open flow that makes entertaining easy. Downstairs features stylish laminate flooring throughout, plantation shutters for a touch of sophistication. The primary suite is your private retreat, complete with a spacious walk-in shower and updated finishes. And it's not just the house. The HOA takes care of front yard maintenance, and you'll enjoy access to a community park across the street and a garden area, perfect for relaxing, playing in, or gathering with neighbors. Located in a desirable part of Sacramento, you'll appreciate the nearby top-rated schools, shopping, dining, and easy access to major highways. It's a lifestyle of convenience and comfort. Thank you for stopping by my beautiful new listing. If you like a private showing or have any questions, contact me, LuAnn, today. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be the first to get my latest listings and buyer and seller real estate tips. And I'll see you on the next one.